Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alright, so my apologies if you can hear the fans in the background. I had a water leak in my condo. I'll show you that right now. Alright. There we go. And we have... Oh, we got BarnYard Outdoors. I do not believe he has a sticker. Just scanning my board. I do not see a sticker. But, still a good channel. Real good dude. Hopefully I won't know until I get into editing and see how bad the noise is, but looks like I do a panning shot of the sticker board. Hell yeah. Alright, well there we go. This week's channel shout out. All their links will be down in the description below. Knock on wood that they actually work. I don't know, sometimes they don't work, but I get the direct link right off the top address bar, and I put it right in the description. So if it doesn't work, there'll still be an end card. Hopefully that will work. And as always, I do thank you for watching. And I also I take a moment to salute our fine servicemen and women, from our recruits clear to our veterans, and also 22 a day. 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be 0. 22 a day, no more. I also like to throw in a special thanks to our EMT and first responders, saving lives out there every day. I think they deserve something, some recognition as well. And with that, have a great week, and we'll catch you in the next one.